Hello again and welcome to Thai Cooking Channel, where Thai cooking is made simple. In this episode, we will show you how to prepare one of the most beloved dishes of many locals, stir-fried minced pork with basil. We hope you will enjoy watching it. Let's begin with getting to know the ingredients. We will need 300 grams of minced pork, 50 grams of basil leaves, 20 grams of garlic, 30 to 40 grams of chili peppers, 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of mushroom-flavored soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. These ingredients are perfect for 2 to 3 servings. Once we have all of these ingredients ready, we can just begin our cooking. So, let's get started. First, use a mortar and a pestle to crush chili peppers and garlic together. If you don't like your dish to be too spicy, we suggest using only a few chili peppers. Keep pounding until your chili peppers and garlic are completely crushed. Scoop your crushed peppers and garlic into a small bowl. We will need these for our next step. Next, set your stir-fry pan to medium heat and pour cooking oil into it. Do not use too much cooking oil as your dish will become too greasy. Then, add the crushed peppers and garlic to the pan, and stir-fry them until the aroma rises from the pan. Once your crushed garlic turns golden brown and the aroma rises up, add your minced pork to the pan. Stir-fry it for 1.5 minutes until the minced pork is nearly cooked. Then, add fish sauce, followed by mushroom-flavored soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and dark or black soy sauce for food coloring, but it can be left out if you wish. Stir them well together for 40 seconds. Finally, add the basil leaves that we have prepared. Keep stir-frying for 1 minute. As always, you can adjust the tastes to your preference by adding sugar, chili peppers, or fish sauce. Here it is, your stir-fried minced pork with basil. This wonderful dish goes really well with a bowl of hot steamed rice. We hope you enjoy watching this video on stir-fried minced pork with basil, and we hope that you will give it a try. Please subscribe to our channel for many more delicious Thai dishes to come. Thank you for watching our Thai cooking channel, Thai Food Made Simple.